She's a Mona Lisa.
Ana! Ayan. Welcome to Joey's vlog.
So, saan ibibigay mo, no?
There must be something about a feeling.
Hindi pala siya nagpa-play all this time. Sinong ka nga, Adobe? Hindi siya nagpa-play.
Hindi ka siya.
Hindi ko naka-record. Hi! Ay, sorry.
Welcome to Joey's vlog.
And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life. What's on the show? What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know.
Hello guys, so if you don't know who Van Gogh is, he's a famous Dutch painter that dominated the post-impressionism era. As you can see, this exhibit is all about his artworks. One of the greatest and popular painting that he has done is Starry Night, which he made in an asylum where he admitted himself. A little fun fact about him, he actually produced 2,100 artworks during his lifetime. But in spite of his fame today, he never achieved success while he was still alive.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Ano ba? Nakasingit na. Si Ana. Gulat yung camera eh. Hi.
Deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me